Hi everybody, today's video is a 2019 Terry Classic. This is modeled after the vintage holiday house. And I'm going to show you this camper. It's really cool. And it's got the retro look, but inside it's all modern. So I'll walk around and show you the back. Here we go. Got a little trunk back there. Okay, so here's the inside. Really nice. And then the owner showed me that this comes down and you have cup holders here, and they have neat little LED lights, and they're touch lights. So you touch it and it comes on and then goes off. So that's pretty neat. Look at the kitchen. It's so big, the windows, everything here. She said the refrigerator is almost a normal full-size house refrigerator, but she's got all these big windows. So while you're cooking or washing dishes, you get to look outside. And over there's the sink. And here is the dinette. Okay, so here's the bathroom. And they added this shower curtain rod that comes out, so it feels like it gives you more room. Again, this is the 2019 Terry Classic, I think it was. So here is the bedroom part. This is as you you first walk in the door. Over here is the bed. So you've got drawers and a wardrobe there, more storage up top. There we go. So I'm gonna guess that's probably about a queen size bed. There's another view of the kitchen area. And here's a neat little sign. And we'll end with that. So thanks everybody. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.